have you guys found trying to educate your community? Because sometimes we don't listen to ourselves. What challenges have you found? And speak to it from a woman's perspective as well. You're a leader. You're a leader. What challenges have you found?
Yeah, I think one of the challenges that we face a lot here, being life insurance agents, as like I mentioned, like a lot of people, they can be very close-minded. They don't want to really sit down at first and listen to the information because they think it's only when you pass away. But, the information that we bring is now that there is living benefits. So for the people, that go through any critical illness, chronic illness or injury, then we're able to help them out as well. And I think that's one of the challenges, but we're here, just keep educating the community and we're going to keep going.
Okay, thank you so much. Philly, keep going, okay? Keep going.
We are family. We are family. Alonso Aguilar, felicidades. Sí se puede, Alonso. Gracias por este evento. Es una oportunidad y para mí es un milagro estar aquí este día. Amén.
We have a family.
How many kids?
Four.
4 kids.
Yeah, 4 kids in the house. So
full time. That's a lot.
For that business, and we do music. We'll be performing Wednesday. You'll see.
Wow.
And our brand is the Most High Marriage.
Shout out
Purpose.
your brand. This is phillydom. He's got over 150,000 subscribers on YouTube.
150,000.
Over 150.
So phillydom. I'm Sir Jacques, and this is the Queen, Lexi Lou. We are Eden's Dawn, named after the Garden of Eden. We're a married duo, and our music is the Most High Marriage and Purpose.
Where can we
That's
find
our mantras. Everywhere. Spotify, Apple Music.
What do we search?
Eden's Dawn. EDENS Dawn. DAWN. 2 words. Eden's Dawn.
What's your Instagram?
Eden's Dawn.
Eden's Dawn.
Eden's Dawn.
Total. Everything. Facebook. Everything.
Everything. Album out. Eden's Dawn. Chapter 1, verse 1 through 14.
Okay.
All right. Every verse is a song. You're just watching us love on each other.
Why did you guys decide? First of all, look at this beautiful couple. Tell me they don't represent Queen Sheba. Tell me this is not King Solomon. Tell me this is not power. Tell me this is not strength. Tell me you're not bearing witness to this. Tell me this is not excellence. Now, you guys already look like $1 million. You already got your lives together. You guys have children. Why do you guys want to learn about financial education? Why is that important for you guys?
Because we don't. There are in our communities, the black and brown community as well, we weren't taught it for the most part. We passed away. We're doing potlucks. We're doing
GoFundMe.
catfish, GoFundMes. Like we're trying to
plates at the church.
We're trying to figure it out. We're trying to figure it out. Her godfather just passed away.
Wow.
Recently. How old was Eddie? 86.
I believe he was in his 80s.
86, and wife, is left behind, and she has a at-home job. She's, healthy is what it is.
Sure.
And she's barely making it.
Wow.
We'll even send her. She's barely making it. But if she understood financial literacy, life insurance.
Wow.
When he passed away, she wouldn't have to worry about that.
Stop.
But we don't even think about it, and we're not taught it. And it's not. I don't even blame my parents. I don't think they were taught it either. So it was important.
Mindset that was passed down.
Yes.
So it's important to us to really preach that, because again, when you got the Most High family and purpose, that matters. Okay. That legacy matters. That when you're leaving behind, we're all going to pass away.
Correct.
So what you leave behind matters, and when it's nothing, then what we live for. So we got here, like I said, a little over 3 weeks, about a month, and we were in San Antonio. We moved from Houston. We lived in Houston for a while.
Okay.
So we went to Conquistadors,
Okay. We will conquer.
Yeah, exactly.
That's right.
So we're just here to do this full time, because this is what matters.
We're gonna see y'all in there. Y'all keep representing for us. Y'all keep doing it the way y'all doing it.
Black
You're doing it
excellence.
from this level. I'm proud of you.
Thank you.
I respect you.
Thank you.
I see you. Thank you for representing us the way you are. Queen, thank you for representing us the way you are. God bless you both.
Yeah, we're going with Philly.
We'll see y'all
Yeah.
inside. Philly
Queen.
Dom. Go on
Yeah.
YouTube right
Philly
now.
Dom.
Because y'all gonna be on this page. It's gonna blow y'all up.
We're gonna tap in.
Philly Dom. Philly Dom.
Dom.
Check him out like a
Yeah,
book.
DOM. I'm from Philly, and my name is Dominique, so Philly down.
I'm from DC.
Okay.
So what's your name?
Mariela
And
Ortega.
what's your name?
Maria Dina
Maria Dina.
Murillo.
Okay, why is it important for you and your family and your culture to know about financial services, the financial industry?
It was very important because I feel like in our Latino community, a lot of people, they're not educated. They're very close-minded on, financial issues. They usually don't want to talk about money. So, in our community, it's very, very important to bring that awareness on financial services. And, a lot of family, friends have lost loved ones and they weren't properly prepared. So, it's very important for us to learn this information, and we're very blessed to be able to bring that to our community. So,
Could you ask her the same question for me in Spanish?
ya, ¿para qué es importante para
She
usted?
can answer in Spanish.
¿Para qué es importante para usted poder aprender sobre servicios financieros?
Sí, yo soy María Dina Murillo. Y soy del Salvador.
viva El
Y
Salvador.
acabo de pasar por
Viva
un
El
divorcio
Salvador.
y he hecho caregiver por 30 años. Y yo sé que a veces es difícil para las personas. Entonces yo ya he donado mucho tiempo a ellos y yo no estaba usando el seguro social porque hago privado para ayudar más a las personas. Y yo le había pedido a Dios antes de que se terminara el año que yo quería aprender sobre el dinero, sobre el negocio, porque ya no tengo mucho tiempo para retirarme. Entonces yo quiero hacer la diferencia y luego quiero formar un grupo de puras divorciadas para enseñar y enseñar también a la comunidad hispana de que sí se puede.
Wow.
Y un placer conocerlo, Mr. Jack.
You can paraphrase what she said.
Okay,
Just paraphrase.
okay.
Yeah.
What was she
Did
saying?
you
So she said it's very important because she did go through a divorce, and she was already looking to get life insurance. She was very interested in learning about the product services and as well as, teaching the community, as I mentioned. And, she's very excited. She has a lot of goals here in the company, and we're just looking forward to learning more.
That's all
What
right.
challenges have you guys found trying to educate your community? 'Cause sometimes we don't listen to ourselves. What challenges have you found? And speak to it from a woman's perspective as well. You're a leader. You're a leader. What challenges have you found?
Yeah, I think one of the challenges that we face a lot here, being life insurance agents, as like I mentioned, like a lot of people, they can be very close-minded. They don't want to really sit down at first and listen to the information because they think it's only when you pass away. But, the information that we bring is now that there is living benefits. So for the people, that go through any critical illness, chronic illness or injury, then we're able to help them out as well. And I think that's one of the challenges, but we're here, just keep educating the community and we're gonna keep going.
Okay, thank you.
So much. Philly, keep going, okay?
Keep going.
We are family.
We are
family. Alonso Aguilar, felicidades. Sí se puede, Alonso. Gracias por este evento. Es una oportunidad y para mí es un milagro estar aquí este día. Amén. Bendiciones. Gracias.
You from El Salvador? That's good. You from El
Good morning, TJ. How you feeling? Good morning. Guys, my name is Jacques Wilkens. My lovely wife, Jessica. We represent Mr. Renee Reyes, Mr. Emil Reyes, TJ Reed, the rest of the building out in Williams, Texas. We represent Mr. Hector Del Toro, Miss Erica Del Toro. We represent the Conquistador. We represent TGA, baby. Listen, before PHP, I proudly served this country's Navy combat team in the Navy. It was a pleasure. After that, I was serving hot dogs for $1.50 at Costco. So I stay serving. Guys, I'm gonna tell you something. The message I have for you guys today is a word called dormant. The word means this, okay? Google describes this word as having normal physical functions suspended or slowed down for a period of time, in or as if in a deep sleep. A lot of us here are dormant. How many of us have that little voice saying, man, you said by the time you're 20 you do this. By the time you have your child you do this. You You retire, crash, you do this, all these things. That voice won't let you sleep, right? You guys know what I'm talking about? Yeah. Outside it's snowing. Those plants aren't dead, they're just dormant. You know what I found here? I found fertile ground. There's miracle grow here. They've awakened the leader inside of me. How was you guys? I was here last year on the wall. I was in Las Vegas in February. I didn't know nothing. And I got awakened. I saw something. I said, I can do this. I can plant my flag here. And I did it. I went back working 50 hours at Costco. I went back in 3 months, crossed 50,000. I quit. I fired Costco before they fired me. 3 months later, 8 months in, we crossed over $100,000. Let me tell you guys a quick story around here. I was in Vail, Colorado. I was in Vail, Colorado, a $1 million base shop. A lot of you guys are there. It's beautiful. I'm surrounded by SVPs. I'm surrounded by multi-million-dollar earners. I'm just a little guy, another flower ball. Mrs. Gaytan says, Wilkens, come here. I said, yes, ma'am. Come here. Come stand right here. I want to take your picture. You guys look so great, you and your wife, Jessica. I said, Mrs. Gaytan, the co-founder of the company, multi-million. You want to take my picture? We have leaders here who believe in us. It's snowing, guys. The snow's up here. She's stepping in snow to take my picture. Who am I? Thank you, Mr. Gaytan. Thank you, Mr. Gaytan. Thank you for creating this fertile ground. Thank you for I someone like me